Good evening. Here are today's headlines.
This is one of those scents I always come back to. This product is designed.
What if you could create a professional AI avatar video for your brand without filming, hiring actors, or recording audio? In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you exactly how to create a talking AI avatar video in LitVideo in just minutes. With LitVideo's AI avatar generator, you can create product promotion videos, build faceless YouTube content, generate multilingual marketing videos, design a digital spokesperson for your brand. And the best part? No camera needed. First, go to the AI avatar section inside LitVideo. You'll find a rich template library filled with professionally designed digital human avatars. You have two options. Option 1, choose from LitVideo's extensive AI avatar template library. These ready-to-use digital humans are optimized for marketing and content creation. Option 2, upload your own image to create a custom AI avatar. This gives brands and creators full control over their digital identity. If you're creating a product promotion video, you can upload your product image here. This helps the AI generate more relevant visuals in the final video. Next, enter your script or upload an existing audio file. This will be the voice content for your AI avatar. LitVideo provides multiple voice options, male and female voices, different age tones, multiple languages including English, Chinese, Japanese, and Korean. You can even adjust the speaking speed to match your content style. This makes it easy to localize your content for global audiences. Finally, add a short prompt describing the type of video you want to create. For example, create a professional product introduction video with confident tone and clean background. The clearer your instruction, the better the result. Once everything is set, click Create. In just minutes, your AI avatar video will be ready.
If you're the kind of woman who doesn't have time to spend an hour in the bathroom, but must always be at your peak, listen to me. Stop and look at this for 30 seconds. I'm recommending this product name for one reason only. It's smart enough. It understands our need for speed, sleeping an extra 20 minutes in the morning and still having dewy, radiant skin.
This tool is perfect for content creators who want to stay faceless, e-commerce sellers, social media marketers, brand operators, agencies managing multiple clients. If you want to create professional AI avatar videos without filming, LitVideo makes it simple. Try the AI avatar generator today and start building your own digital spokesperson in minutes. Link in the description below.